Hi, my name's Tom. I came to Salinas Collision Repair to get my car fixed. Had some damage that really made it look ugly, and I was really impressed with what they did. They fixed the door, the mirror. It's absolutely beautiful. Couldn't be happier. Met Sammy. He's the one who set me up, and great guy. Thanks for everything, you guys.
And who repaired your car?
Salinas Auto Repair.
Salinas Collision Repair.
Salinas Collision Repair.
There you go. Thank you so much, and hope you enjoy your new ride. And thank you, Sammy, for helping out and being assistance on
No problem.
this
Thanks,
repair.
Thank you very much. I appreciate
Absolutely.
the business.